Hi everybody, wanted to unbox for you a pair of pajama shorts that I bought, the pajama set actually, and you can really wear this either as loungewear or as a pajama, but thought I'd unbox it for you and show you what it looks like after it arrives. All right, so let's take a look and see. You can see they're cotton. This was a nice pretty green color. These are the shorts, and it does have a drawstring, and this is a functional drawstring, not faux, and I ordered mine in a size large. It's a nice soft material. All right, so those are the shorts, and then here is the t-shirt. It's a nice little ribbing on the collar. Let me unfold that for you to give you a view of what it looks like. Here's the sleeve, a little short sleeve. Let me zoom that out and give you a better view so you can see it all together. Again, you can do this even as a lounge set if you don't want to do it as a pajama, but pretty color. Go ahead and put the description and the link to the item if this is something that interests you. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.